Here's a Samson Safe-flex fan from the 1940s. These are very hard to find, and it's even harder to find them with blades that are still intact, because most of the time they either are missing or they're melted. But thankfully these ones are still in good shape. They're still nice and flexible, although kind of dirty. The rest of the fan, unfortunately, is not in that great a shape. The paint's coming off. There's a side of it. I had to rewire it because when I got it, I got the set at fan meet. And when I got it, the original wiring was literally just falling off. Unfortunately, the original cord had the rubber grommets molded in as part of the cord, so that's why it doesn't have any right now. It's also missing the oscillator knob, so I can't demonstrate it because of that, and because it's missing the screw that holds the arm on. I do believe the gearbox works, but I always like these fans. It's just cool to see fans with rubber blades that don't have cages. So anyway, I will turn it on now, and I have to hold it down because I think the rubber grommets on the base are pretty hard. Yeah. Either way, it vibrates a lot. So anyway, here it is. It's only a single speed. Here it is on. This thing is powerful though. Alright, that's enough. So yeah, just really quickly I will show you the switch thing. And there you go. There's my Samson rubber blade fan. Thanks for watching.